What is going on? What is going on? I, Hugh, and what is your name?
Bob.
Bob are in the 3500 high output Cummins, and we have the 25,000 pound trailer. We are headed to New York State because we bought a Bulldozer. That's right. Good morning. Saturday morning, about 7:30. Just waiting for Alex to get here. Gonna work on this for a little bit and then move it up to the sugar house. Just putting some fuel in it. Gonna have Alex completely pressure wash it, clean the undercarriage, clean off all the seat oil marks, and get it all greased. And then we'll take it up to the sugar house and drop it off so it can start its new life sitting there waiting to push off material. And I got a pretty good deal on it. I'm torn if I should just flip it, sell it, but I'm going to advertise it. Meanwhile, get all my shop prep done up at the sugar house, and maybe even cut a road in or something just to mess around with it. So, but today we'll clean it up a little bit, and it supposedly takes grease at every grease fitting, so we'll have to put that claim to the test. But yeah, man, I'm really excited about this thing. Hour meter works. It's got a little over 4,000 hours on it. I'd like to change that seat out, but I'm not going to put a lot of money into it. I bought it for a specific task, and if you wanted to work on it, you could tighten up the blade and some other stuff, but I'm not overly interested in doing that right now. Hello. So anyways, this is the 1984 Case 450C that I bought a couple weeks ago. I've been using it for an hour or two here and there up here on my land, and I love it. It is freaking cool. Always wanted to own one, and now I do. So I'm still thinking I'll flip it if somebody wants to give me more than I paid. I'd like to flip my way up to like a D5, late 90s maybe, something like that, somewhere around 50,000. But for now, it does what I need it to. I pushed off that sand fill that we brought in, pushed off all those railroad ties, and it's been working pretty good. I did end up ordering a seat for it. I ordered the correct seat belt bracket and lap belt, so hopefully that comes in the next couple weeks and we'll get that bolted on. But I don't want to jinx it, but it's been working great. Been building, well, spreading the fill, because this is where my shop is going to go eventually, hopefully in the next year. So as we have time, bring in more fill. Pretty sure the shop's gonna sit right where that trailer is, 60 by 60, and then this will all be yard. But I haven't really decided how to orient the building yet, but I have been cutting in a road, and I will show you guys that. Take a flight real quick.